Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Agbon, MKO all-rounder, leading comedian. You're welcome to Trending.
Thank you for having me today.
Thank you for joining us. Federal government panel clears Bobrisky of allegations on prison scandals. Says he served jail time but enjoyed privileges. A federal government investigative panel has found no evidence that Idris Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky, left prison or received special treatment during her 6-month sentence. On Monday, Uju Ogumo, Executive Director of Prisoners Rehabilitation and Welfare Action, presented the initial findings of the panel at the Ministry of Interior. According to the report, there was no evidence to support claims that Bobrisky slept outside the prison facility during her imprisonment. The report confirmed that Bobrisky served her full sentence from April 12th to August 5th, with standard remission applied. MKO.
Yes, who is after this Bobrisky? Everybody is talking Bobrisky served jail, he didn't serve jail or whatever. I don't know. Maybe this man called a very dark man, and some people who want to run this woman down. This woman have gone to jail, he have served his sentence, and some people not still pleased with it. You jail her and he served. So they must give her privileges, but he stay within the prison. Now we have seen that they have come out with their investigation that truly this woman served the jail time. I hear in the news that this lady tried to run from Nigeria and they arrested the immigration or whatever, arrested her at this border. How would they arrest her for what?
Where do you think she was going?
So now
is she not running away from
running away for what? He's a free lady. He has served the jail time, so he's a free lady now. He can go to anywhere she wants, she like. Maybe she's going to that Benin Republic to buy goods. Do you know that it's a cosmetic? It's a businessman. He says cosmetics. Maybe he go there for a business, but who is monitoring her? Monitoring her for what? Because he has served the jail. Won't you leave these ladies? Won't you leave Mama of Lagos? Won't you leave this the award winner of the best woman dresser in Nigeria? Won't you leave her alone? Right. Let her enjoy her life.
Thank you, MKO, for coming to Trending today.
Thank you for listening to my music.
Thank you for joining us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our unified channel, Procyon RTV. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. Keep shining like the star you are.